So my son, he never puts his clothes away. I mean, that's a perfect example. It's like piled up in the laundry closet that we have. And also he uses every single towel in the house. And so then he comes in my room and takes my towels. And then I have no towels. And I have to then wash my towels. But I did him a favor. I washed one of his free of charge. And now he can have that towel. But he has like 20 or 30 other towels in his room that will not get washed because he hasn't brought them out to the washer. Have you, or to the laundry basket that goes on top of the dryer or on top of the washer or whichever one? Do you have this problem? Does your son do this? Or your kids? It's really, I think, a teenage boy thing. So, oh boy. So I'm somewhat complaining about my son and his laundry. But the truth is that he's most likely not going to be here much longer. He's 18, he'll be 19 in August, and he's gearing up for community college. He passed his GED, yay! And now he wants to go to college, which of course I'm very happy about. I wouldn't say of course. I'm okay if he didn't go to college. I kind of feel like kids have to figure out their path, and sometimes it requires college, sometimes it doesn't. So I was really okay with whatever he wants. What I'm happy about is that he's decided that he cares about something, and that he doesn't want to spend his life on a construction site, which there's nothing wrong with that. It's just really hard. It's hard work, and it's super hot in Florida, and so he's looking for his passion. So anyway, it's raining. It just started raining, so I'm trying to get home. But anyway, I just want him to be happy. And my point in that is that he's going to be gone soon. And then I'm going to be a total empty nester because my daughter's 23 and she left several years ago. And she's out in the world crushing it. And I'm so proud of her. But man, you got to let go. It's really hard to let go. So if you are a mom or even a single mom, like that's what I've been for the past almost 10 years. And so, that's the time that you're supposed to be like with your spouse and excited about your lives back together with just the two of you. But it's not the case for me. But I've got Kobe, which makes it better. But it's a lot. It's hard to let go sometimes. So now it's officially raining. And it's like lightly raining and then it's raining harder and then lightly raining. And Kobe brought his ball even though this was supposed to just be a walk. And I'm like, I'm not going to be able to throw it because it's raining. We're getting wet. But anyway, so my point is it, how do you let go? How do you stop parenting? And now you're not really stopping parenting, but you're not parenting. Like you're waiting for them to come to you. You're not offering them advice right away. Although it's a really hard habit to break. I mean, you've been parenting them their whole lives. So it's so tricky. So complaining about laundry now, but in like 3 months from now, I'm going to be on here crying that I don't have laundry to do. So, yeah, hope you're still here. Have a good weekend.